For today's video, I will show you how to see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. So, let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is go incognito. And how we go incognito? If you are using a PC computer, all you're gonna do is click on Control Shift N. Alright? Once you are here, all you're gonna do right now at the search bar, you need to type this. Alright? And once you've done that, you will see a list of Chrome URLs. Alright? Now, once you are here, all you're gonna do is hover down below where it says Chrome History, right here. Click on that, and what will happen next is you would basically see all the history even if you are in the incognito mode. Alright? As we all know, incognito mode is a private browsing or privacy mode, which is a feature available in most web browsers and some apps. And the primary purpose is to enhance privacy and security for users by allowing them to browse the internet or use app without the information being stored locally on the device. But when you go here, you would still be able to pull down some information. Alright? And it's important to note that incognito mode doesn't make users completely anonymous online. That's why we went to the history. Alright? Because some internet service providers, employers, and websites can still track the IP address and the fact that someone is using incognito mode. Alright? Additionally, while it prevents local storage of browsing data, it doesn't encrypt internet traffic or protect against all forms of tracking or monitoring. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in our next video.